it's Georgia from Creative Moments by G, and I was thinking today, how am I going to keep all this organized? Oh my goodness, there's just too many adhesives that I need for crafting. Let's go down to the crafting table and let me show you how to solve that problem. Look at all these adhesives. We need all these for crafting. We need our glue dots. We need our glue. We need our tear and tape. We need our dimensionals to create those beautiful cards, don't we? We have the perfect adhesive kit for you. Look at this adorable adhesive kit. Look at that cute little zipper charm that's added. We have this for free, and we have another gift for you. Let's just see how we can organize all these. Okay, you're going to get your tear and tape. You'll get your glue. You're going to get your glue dots. And what about those dimensionals? Everybody needs dimensionals for our beautiful cards. But wait, there's more. When you purchase this kit, you're also going to get some cozy socks so that you can craft into the night. And yes, all this will fit in this adorable adhesive bag. Let me show you. We want to send this to you in the mail. Check below on how to purchase it.